Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see it looks like you may not know this person on the Facebook. We will see like how we can fix it. Okay, so whenever you get this kind of error, you see the screen like this. So we'll see how to fix it. Looks like you may not know this person on the Facebook. Follow some of the steps. Step number one, re-access your friend request, re-evaluate the friend request you have sent, prioritize adding the people you know personally or you have mutual friends with it. This approach reduces the chances of requests being ignored or reported as unwanted. Step number two is limit your friend request. Send requests in moderation, avoid sending multiple requests in a short time span, as this may be considered as spamming and would result in account restrictions. Okay, suppose if you are sending a friend request to one of the person like Mike, and give some time before sending another friend request to the another person. Okay, so make sure you know this person personally before sending a friend requests. Step number three is connect with the mutual friends. Leverage mutual friends to establish the connection with the users you may not know directly. By sharing the mutual friends, you increase the likelihood of your request being accepted and decrease the risk of encountering constant request error. Step number four, be patient and wait for the existing request to be accepted. Allow time for your existing friend request to be accepted or declined. Once some of your pending request has been addressed, Facebook algorithms may lift the restrictions, enabling you to send friend requests again. So this is how you can fix the particular error. Like it looks like you may not know this person on the Facebook. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.